When people ask, what does it look like, central London, and this is exactly what it looks like in central London. This is Oxford Street. As you can see, a street that doesn't get quiet 24/7, very, very busy, and quite a lot of different high street stores that are also operating from here. In 25 years, I've been able to understand that this is part of the beauty of living in London. If you're going to be living outside London, definitely it's going to be a little bit different. The high street are all different, but this one is London, and this is the Oxford Street. And again, 25 years in UK. And as I always say, whenever you're in London, make sure you find your way into Oxford Street.